Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Actually, I am little bit earlier here. Tell me something about this roof.
Yeah, where do I start? See, I can start from here. This is a planter actually. We have created this for basically two kind of plants. So one is like this is a screen. You can see here is an apartment behind this house. So we have to create a screen over here. So this is working as a screen,
Okay.
and this is a filler plant. Here
Mm-hmm.
we have used money plant, and
Wow.
this is another kind of plant. This is called Ipomia. This is Ipomia black, and this is a
Okay.
kind of a
The color is
potato.
dark.
Yeah. It is a kind of a potato plant actually,
Oh,
and this is
I
another.
think this is sweet potato.
Yeah, sweet potato kind of.
Okay.
This is, as you can see here, this structure of this parapet wall is like carved.
Round
It's a
curve. Yeah.
carved. Like
Yeah, yeah.
here is a carve, there is another carve, there is
Yeah, yeah.
another carve. You can just focus on this. That that's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
so this is another carve. So I had to plan something which can adjust with this kind of curvatures.
Mm-hmm.
So we didn't use a conventional planter actually.
Mm-hmm.
So I created this looks like a fencing. We can see in the European gardens and European houses this kind of fencing. So I use this fencing uh, just front of the planter. So because just to give a different look, just focus on this
Oh, that
gazebo.
gazebo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the gazebo is an octagonal gazebo actually.
Okay.
The floor is a textured floor. It is
Mm-hmm.
a black stone basically. We have used a black stone for the flooring, and this is a MS structure,
Mm-hmm.
and the whole thing is a octagonal. There are three layers here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just focus from this side. Yeah, three layers here. Okay.
Yeah.
Why three layers? Because this area is a bit near to the river, and the south is open, and these days too much of storms are there. In
Mm-hmm.
every year, like 3-4 storms are there.
Mm-hmm.
So this is for the air ergonomics to cut the air out. First, there is a gap, and secondly, there is another gap.
Okay.
So this will cut the air out to protect the roof
Okay.
as it is.
Okay.
Okay. So still, it is like winter here. So
Mm-hmm.
the storm is about to come, like in the month of March, April. Then actually, my client here is like only 11 years old. She has lots of friends actually. Hmm.
Oh,
Yes,
so
so she will have some party here. So she asked me to make something for sitting. Hmm. So I created this bench here on this parapet wall. This is a carved bench, as you can see here. See, this is a carved bench. We used MS section here also, and this is totally painted with epoxy. Whatever you are observing here is either weather coat or epoxy. And I use these hanging pots to create some uh, decorative patterns actually.
would you like to say something about this waterfall?
Yeah, actually, see this headroom is divided into two different rooms actually. There is a staircase behind this wall, and this is a storeroom actually. Inside this wall, there is a storeroom. Uh, my client requested me to create a waterfall because he wants to actually the father of that girl actually. Yeah. So he wanted to actually he wants to sit over here in the gazebo and yeah and meditate.
Okay.
Yeah, he wants to when he will meditate here, he wants to listen to the sound of this waterfall.
Okay.
So he requested me to create a waterfall over here. So we created. I gave him two options. Like one was like blade waterfall from the wall, and another is this spring waterfall. So he was fond of string waterfall, so I created a string waterfall over here. Yeah, we are getting inside the glass room actually. This is a glass room, you can say, room basically. It's not a glass room at all. It was basically previously it was a pump room because this house is very old. That time houses had all houses used to have a pump room. So I plan to convert it into a room basically.
Yeah.
So this has a glass, this 3-part sliding glass door with a lock. And we used artificial grass in the floor. I created some caricatures here to give it to a funny look because the main I as I told you before that my client is like 11 years old, so she will enjoy these things. And there was a cat when we were visiting the site and the contractor was working here. Like 3 times she was asking for food and stuff. So and she is now she's roaming around here and there in the premises. So we created a character over here, a caricature sketch over here. So the crow is like waiting to make your roof garden dirty, and you have to clean the garden every day, and you have to fight with the crows and other birds.